Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you how to change a home screen transition on this device. So first, hold for a while with you, just slide with your two fingers at the center, or just hold for a while the screen, and here you will see the transitions icon. Just click here. Now we have selected the default one. We can switch it just to the one from this available transitions. For example, I'll go with the roll one. Just then click here to home button, and you can see that we just successfully active. We just change our home screen animation. If you want to change it back to the default, for example, by the same way, go here to the transitions, switch it, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.